Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am really excited to share you guys the Radiant skincare system really changed my skincare routine. Let me tell you why. I received this package. Tina from Duvolle sent me this package and it changed my life. I believe I got this around June and now it's August 1st. It's August 1st. It's like a month now. June, July, yeah, a month or something. No, 2 months actually, I think. Yeah, anywho, this Radiant skincare system has 4 amazing brushes, which is for your body, which is the big brush. I don't have it in me, I'm sorry. I'll just put the picture in here that you guys can see, but it's like a big brush that looks like this. It has like a picture, but looks like that. So that's for your everyday body brush, like all over the body. I use that every day. When I receive that package, I use it every day when I take a shower. I put my soap, like my Dove soap, and then, you know, scattered it and just like exfoliate it. Like, oh my god, it's like it's making my skin softer, if that's the word. But anyway, and also, if you're still not familiar with how to do it, I like how they came with this paper, like, you know, how to use it and what the brush is for, like how to use, like what kind of, for example, the specific body brush, like how to, like I said, how to use it. And okay, and it comes with a unit. They call it, this is the using the unit. It says, do not use broken skin or areas of the skin with rash, severe acne, or other skin alignments. Okay, so first is you may want to use a headband to keep your hair away for your face, which is sometimes I use this, but sometimes I don't use headband. I just put my hair in a ponytail. But yeah, this is I use it. So, you know, you can, you know, cleanse your face very good. But anyway, before I even proceed with the description of this brushes, I will insert a clip of me use throughout. I don't know, I kind of like gather some clips throughout the whole month or two. And yes, enjoy the clips, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so this is I believe the second week that I use this brushes. I didn't film the first week when I'm using the brushes because I just want to see for myself. But anyway, I decided to do this like little clips throughout the week or two. I'm not gonna put everything, you know. But anyway, you guys see me using this Radiant skincare. This is the cleansing brush that I'm using right now. And for the soap, I use my Glam Glow soap for facial wash for my face. So that's that. I'm doing the circular motion, which is a brush feels so nice and soft, and I'm trying to cover all up in my face right there. I'm sorry that I have a lot of breakouts because I don't know how to control myself, and I keep drinking a lot of milk and, you know, dairy. But anyways, let's just ignore that. I know I have a lot of pimple, so I'm doing that right there, like brushing also my forehead, making sure that I covered it all up. And I think this is the second morning or night. I think this is the morning. And I'm using the Glam Glow again, doing that, hitting the row. So right there, same stuff, like making sure that this is still the cleansing brush that I'm using. Yeah. So right now, still doing the circular motion right there with the soap, with a Glam Glow soap, facial soap. Just making sure that it's nice and covered with all of my face right there. And this clip is nighttime, and I'm gonna be also using, I think this time I think I'm using the exfoliating brush. I'm not sure, but yeah, I have my Clean and Clear at night. I have Clean and Clear at the morning, which is comes with the orange bottle. And yeah, I believe this is the exfoliating brush. Yes, I'm correct. So I'm just putting that one pump of facial cleansing soap and spread it right there. I know I should have fixed my hair because I look so gross, but yeah, right here I can see already that the big changes with my skin, how it's soft, my skin, and how my skin getting better. And this is morning again, really happy for using this soap. And yeah, putting one or two pumps of like the clean and clear for the morning and putting that in. I think I'm in a hurry here because I'm on my way to work, so I'm just trying to make sure that I am nice and covered with that soap. So just doing my morning ritual. But anyway, this is the close-up for my face. I don't know why I put it all over my lips too, but that's that right there. Okay, so that's how the clips, you guys. I know my skin is really not in a good position. That month, like the July month, is like my skin has been breaking out a lot. I feel like it's the dairy. But anyway, let's not talk about my skin because I know it's really horrible. Anyway, let's move on. Anyway, the body brush, you'll see here, it includes the large body brush can be used on the hands and body. Apply soap or cleanser or hand or body, then gently move the brush on your skin in a circular motion. So I don't do the circular motion in my body. I just like do this. Sometimes I do this in my shoulders, but most of the time I just like, how I scrub my body. That's how I'm used to, like, scrubbing my body. If you want to use it in a circular motion, you can do it as well, but that's just how I scrub my body, and it's really good. It's soft. It's not your regular your brush. Like, I have this brush that I got from, I think it was from Walmart. It's like a kind of like a body brush, and it's really rough. Like, it's making my skin like red. It has like redness, and I really don't like that. So anyways, that's how I use it. I've been using that brush for so long, and I love that body brush. Moving on with a facial cleanser, which is this one. This is the facial cleanser, and this cleanser, like you see in the previous clip, I use this a lot of times because it's very soft. Like, it's just so soft. Like, it's so soft, and I use this when I use like the circular motion on my face. You can use whatever. Like, my skin is sensitive, not sensitive, but oily skin, like combination skin, and I use sometimes my Glam Glow and also the Clean and Clear, like my facial wash from morning. I also have a facial wash at night, so I kind of like mix that three every now and then, but for mornings I have my Clean and Clear. But anyway, I've been using that for I don't know how many months now, but I've been using that, and it's I really like that, and it's make my skin really like that too, because I kind of tend to change my skincare, like soap or whatever. I feel like my skin doesn't like it, and from the Clean and Clear, it really it's like it will not react or irritate my skin. That's just what I'm using, like the soap when I'm using. It's really up to you guys. If you have your own soap, just stick with that soap. But anyways, the cleansing brush really makes it more softer, and it gets the job done. And with the and it removes the excess dirt on your face. If, like, for example, I have a makeup and then the wipes didn't really get the job done, like in here, like in this area or stuff like that, then the facial cleanser or even the exfoliating brush, and you put soap in it, it'll get the job done as well. But anyway, moving on with the exfoliating brush, which is this one right here. I use this in a week. I'll probably use it like twice or 3 times a week, because I don't want to exfoliate my face every day. That's just my my own perspective. But anyway, moving on with the pumice stone. This is for the rough skin. I believe this is prior to use. Immerse your foot. Okay, so I haven't really used this one because I have my own like scrub in my foot, and I really haven't used this one because I feel like it's so tiny, and like I said, I didn't even use the unit when I'm taking a shower or whatnot. So that's why for this one I have like a big scrub for just for my foot. But this one I haven't, to be honest with you, I don't have anything to say about this one because I haven't, you know, used this, and I don't want to make a fake, you know, like, ah, it's really good, you know. But I will update you guys with this pumice stone. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, I'm sorry if not, but yeah, I will probably update you guys if I'm gonna use this little brush right here. I'm just gonna put it back over there. But anyways, overall, like, oh, for the exfoliation, I'm gonna also says right here, the exfoliation brush is made for very soft bristles, which they are very soft. Like, I'm not even kidding, like, they're so soft. They're not the type of exfoliating brush. There is some exfoliator brush that will hurt your skin, like it will like poke you. That's how I feel, that it will poke you. But anyway, if you want to purchase this set, you guys, I believe in their site. I will leave the link in my description box below. And let me just pull it out on my laptop right here. Okay, so this set costs $95. I know it's a lot of money, but with my discount code for 70% off, I believe you're gonna probably get it for like 28 something dollars. So yeah, $28.50. But anyway, this is really, I would say, really helped my skin, my skincare routine more, like it helps tremendously. Like my skin, I have gotten like, you know, like nice and like that baby face effect, and like it's just making it like more softer. And yeah, that's okay. The thing is, it doesn't include with the battery, so you have to buy your own battery because it doesn't include in the battery. It just include the unit and the 4 amazing brush for your overall, for face and overall body, and for the foot. You know, you gotta keep it clean too. But anyway, you guys, that is all for the, I do highly recommend this product. It's not because they send it to me, stuff like that. It's because I, as a consumer myself, I tried it myself for like over a month and 2 now, and it does have a it actually changes my whole, you know, like routine when it comes to skincare and with my face. But anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.